Hey guys, I was looking on Craigslist the other day and I found a good opportunity to buy some RC plane stuff pretty cheap. And so I did, and I got some pretty cool things. They need some work, but I haven't flown RC in a while. Well, it's not since I was a kid. I figured I'd pick this stuff up and do some work on it on camera. Maybe you guys would be interested in seeing a repair process. It needs a little bit of work here and there. I'll show you in a second. And then we'll go out and fly it and see if I can still fly it. If I crash it, well, it was already broken to start with, so I can fix it again. All right, let me take you over to where the beautiful equipment is here. So this is a FrankenCub. It's got a little bit of damage here in the front. It's got a small amount of cracking in this area. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but that's okay because it came with another fuselage. Oop, there's the wing. The wing itself had a few modifications and a few dings and dents here and there. But overall, I think the wing, other than needing to get the ailerons touched up, the wing will be fine, so I'm not too worried about that. But the fuselage is a mess. We have a second fuselage back here. It's also got a bunch of little spare parts in here. This fuselage also has a problem. You can see the front of it's gone, but the front of this fuselage is in fairly okay shape. You can see it's kind of taped together there. I haven't gotten into that yet. We'll be getting to that in a future video. But anyway, the goal is going to be to chop the front of this off, chop the front of that off, put them together, then move all the controls and everything. And we've got a receiver here, we've got the servos, 30 amp ESC, and there's a brushless motor in the front. So we're going to move all that stuff over to this fuselage, landing gear and everything, touch everything up as best we can, and then we'll go flying. So I'm pretty excited about that. It should be coming up here in just a little bit. So stay tuned. Thanks.